Hey, how you doing? Mike, Innovative Door. We're going to show you oil and lube garage door today. Basically, you need one of these. Not maybe as big and as cool, but definitely need one of those. I'm going to pull the old manual release here on the opener, and basically you apply. You can see the oil will come out. There it is. Apply the oil on each of the middle of the rollers. I had to put a new one in here, a long stem, and we only carry nylon, so that's why there's two different ones. But you apply the oil in the middle of each wheel. That's where all the ball bearings are. If you look kind of closely, you can see one right there. That's a bearing. Anyways, these all got ball bearings. It's all ball bearings, guys. And you just apply the oil in between the rollers. Another thing we do here is we oil the hinges. We don't use WD-40 because that just dissolves and you'll just squeak and everything will come back. Up here where the pipe comes through the bearing, there's another bearing there. Apply oil, and then you can roll the door and get the oil seated in the bearing. The next thing you do is up top, there's the spring assembly. Oil the spring. And then the bottom of your T-rail, you can put the oil on a rag, or you could use a light grease. And that's how we oil and lubricate the door. Hey, I know those guys. So, open sesame here. And here the door does not squeak or anything like that. Works great. So for all your maintenance needs, call Innovative Garage Door 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Thank you for watching the Oil and Lubricate Garage Door. And remember, praise the Lord.